Hello boys, men, and sirs. Welcome back to Austin Avenue. My name is Austin, and today we are going to create a flawless, going to create the smoothest, softest face, softest face allowable on man. Now, don't read too much into that because you know that I'm not a huge fan of boxing in the way we express our born and bred manhood. We're going to create a very smooth face that someone could look at and just be like, oh, how smooth. Anyway, why are we doing this? Well, I'll tell you why. If you work around a lot of people, your face gets seen by a lot of people. And here's the thing. Guys or girls who have very porous faces are, like, if your face is not very smooth, it isn't the most appealing thing. Bottom line, if you, by the end of this video, think that this is a look that you'd like to incorporate into your own skincare routine, huzzah. If you look at this and say, hell no, brother, not for me, then also huzzah. No harm, no foul. But let's jump right in. We are filming in 4K today because I wanted you guys to be able to see every single little piece of this face. I just woke up not that long ago, and the first thing I do to prep my face for getting it nice and smooth and lovely is use this little Acne Stress Control Triple Action Toner from Neutrogena. Big Neutrogena fan here, and I put it onto this little cloth that isn't really a cloth at all. I actually stole a bunch of these from my last job, and by a bunch I mean really just 5. They're little hand towels, but they're disposable, and there's the results of that grossness. Onward. The next thing I do is I take my Cetaphil Extra Oily Lotion. And that doesn't mean it makes your skin oily, it means that it's for super oily skin. I've tried a lot of different face moisturizers before, and this one holds tried and true. Hashtag not sponsored. Though would definitely not mind if you sent a few of these guys my way. DM me. It has 30 SPF in it, which, as you remember from videos past, is really important for staving off wrinkles, taking care of your skin, and keeping it nice and fresh and moisturized and healthy. And so that is why we use this. Ugh, forgive me if my teeth are really brown. I've been chugging the coffee this morning, so. Okay, as you can see, we are well on our way. We've toned, we've moisturized, and now it's time to anti-wrinkle. Now, this isn't necessarily something that everyone feels like they need to do. Austin, what do you have against aging? A lot. I'm praying about it. I have 2 wrinkle prevention creams that I use. Both are from Walmart. Everything I've shown you so far is literally from Walmart. So just head to the self-care aisle and look for these things. They're all there, trust me. I would hold these up, but they don't have any labels on them anymore. They've all peeled off because I don't know. Walmart? Do they work? Not sure. But they do make me feel better and kind of stroke my psychological issues against aging. The next thing to do is wait for all those to dry. On our path and our fight towards smoothie smooth face is applying this Stay Matte by Rimmel. It's a makeup primer, that's what it's called, 003. We're not wearing any makeup, have no fear. I think on the back it says something that you can wear it by itself. This was also from Walmart. This was pretty cheap. I think it was like $5. It's a mattifying, this is what I want us to pay attention to right now, this mattifier. And this is what's really important, especially those of you who have very porous skin. That's really what this is about, is I have large pores. If I haven't said that, I'm a poor guy. in the both senses of the word. The mission here with a smooth face is to eliminate the look of having lots of pores everywhere, from my nose to my forehead to my cheeks. If you're embarrassed to wear this, no one has to see you do it. Let's be real here. I'm the only one who has no shame. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger here and kind of a generous amount. Just like really lightly rub it in. So I want plenty of it to still be there. And I'm kind of making sure, like, I'm almost massaging it into my skin because I want it to fill up all the pores. And again, these aren't really problem areas. They're just the areas where I have big pores, and some days I don't give a rat's. Other days I do. And again, this has shine controlling, pore minimizing, hydrating feel, smooths skin. Heck yeah, brother. Okay. So now that we've got that on, we're already seeing some of what we're looking for, and we're really 75% of the way there. If we were the average human, this would be fine. We'd be really good right here. But I'm pretty extra.
There's people that are dying.
Once the first layer of the pore eliminating mattifier is on and dried, I go back and put on this, which is also another face primer, mattifying, pore eliminating, long lasting. It's by Elizabeth Mott, and it's called Thank Me Later. This is slightly more expensive. I bought this on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. I'm not sure how much it set me back, but I don't use very much of it. That makes sense. Stay. I'm gonna take the Thank Me Later mattifying primer, and I'm not gonna put nearly as much, and I'm just going to do the same thing, begin to massage it into my cheeks and onto my nose. This is the prize right here, guys. This really is the primer. There we go, quick and simple. Is perfection what we've achieved? No. Perfection is a fallacy. It's not real, it's not true, and it's false, and it will always elude you. So don't shoot for perfection, but we have shot for better than before, and by gone it, that's what we've achieved. Thank you all for tuning in and watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and at the very least gave you a little skincare tool to put in your back pocket or put in your tool belt. We live in a world where as men, we have a lot of freedom to express our masculinity and our maleness in a lot of different ways. And if that means having a really smooth face, then it looks like having a really smooth face. As always, y'all, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. If you have thoughts, ideas, critiques, if you want to bash me, ladies and gentlemen, stay studly.